kid.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Nicole from my Pandora Charmed Life, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of my recent order that I just did from the Pandora e-store. Now this order was done during the buy two, get one free promotion, and I did take advantage of that twice. Usually I like to go into my store to do this sale, but I knew that my store didn't have a couple of the items I was looking for, so I just got it all done online. And I also included the charm that's going to be the next giveaway charm for hitting 7,500 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for your continued support. It's so exciting to watch my channel continue to grow, and I'm so thankful for everybody who has been part of my journey, whether you've been here from the beginning or you're brand new. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love having you here. Now, this charm, I did not go to Instagram again because, okay, well, two things. There were charms that I wanted you to vote on, but I don't think I can get them yet. So that idea was thrown out the window. And then I've had an idea to maybe do this charm. Not going to tell you because I don't want to give it away. And somebody on my Instagram sent me a message asking if I considered doing this charm for the YouTube Goals bracelet. And after thinking about it, it felt right. So stay tuned to check out what that charm is in this next giveaway. Again, this is the video that's hosting the giveaway. Don't forget to read all of the details below on how to enter and when that drawing will be held. So stay tuned. Check out what I picked from the e-store and what the next charm is for our giveaway. So here is our box of Pandora goodies. Just gonna open this up. I always like on Pandora boxes when you open it, on the box they have Pandora printed in a nice little envelope. You have all of your information in here, so your little care and warranty, your receipt, all that jazz. I might need that so I can remember the names of the items that I got. So we will go ahead and start with what's in here. Let me take a peek really quick because it might be the giveaway charm in one of these. It is the giveaway charm. Okay, you want to see it? I'm going to save this for last, but I'm going to show Presley what it is.
I want one of those.
Oh, you want them all, don't you? Okay, saving that for last. And I have my little Stackers little charm bar here handy. We'll go ahead and show up close what some of these are. And the first one is the Girl with Pigtails charm. Let's get this on the charm bar. Right here we have the little girl with pigtails. Actually, let me take this little Pandora tag off of her so we can get a better look. This is the one thing that I do like about ordering from the e-store is that you get this little thing on there. I don't know why I like it because it just gets in the way, but it's still super cute. Okay, so here she is. She's got a cute little face. You can tell she's happy. Her eyes are kind of squinted shut. And these little pigtails, can you tell that the little pigtails dangle? I think that is adorable. And the cute thing too is she is holding a little teddy bear with a little heart on there. And this just reminds me, of course, of my little princess. She loves her stuffed animals.
Of me?
Yeah, of you.
Let me see, let me see. Oh, he's cute.
He is cute, huh? Just so cute. It was a must-have. I feel like it's a must-have for any mother. It is bigger than the old little girl charms, but it's just really cute. I love the little detail that they put on it. The pink heart detail on that bear is so cute. Oh my gosh, I just realized that it perfectly matches my nails. And yes, I am wearing Color Street nails. This is a retired shade called Work of Fine Heart, and I just love these nail polish strips. Okay, this one feels a little loose. I'm gonna be careful opening this one up. Oh, yep, see, told you, totally loose. This one we have the Glittering Grooves Murano. Spoiler alert, I did order 2 of these, so that is what another charm is. Let's take a close-up look at this. This is the one that I have been wanting to see so badly at my store, and they just have not had it. So we're looking at it together for the first time. And I just love the grooves on this charm. And then you can tell the shimmer on the inside. This is beautiful. This is my first Pandora Rose Murano. As you can see, the Pandora Rose core. Oh, these are beautiful. I am obsessed with these. I have no idea what I'm going to use them for, but I am basically really impressed with this Murano Pandora. You did such a good job. Oh my gosh, have you guys seen this in person? Like, it is stunning. Good job, Pandora. I am so excited about that charm. All right, next up we have...
I have done in my mouth.
Okay. Next up we have something hanging from a string. What is this? Oh, it's back. Sometimes on the bottom. This packaging, like, feels like it had a rough time. Okay, this is a shine clip that I picked. This is called Scattered Sparkle Clip. I have a two-tone bracelet that I'm currently working on, and I thought it would be good to add some clips that had shine on it. And the bracelet has like a lot of sparkle to it, so I did want one of the clips to have some bling to it. So you can see there's just like a light touch of CZs around there. Not all the dots even have the sparkle, and they're a little bit different colors, so this kind of helps with it not being like overwhelmingly like too overly CZ'd. So I thought this one was really pretty. I actually hadn't even seen this one. Somehow I missed this in the catalogs or whatever it might be. So I was sorting through, I just wanted to see clips and just wanted to see shine, and I stumbled across this, and I'm so happy that I picked it. It's really pretty in real life. Okay, next up, again, this is sticking out. Like, what is up with this packaging? I don't know why it's like kind of all over the place. But this one is my second clip that I picked. And this one also has a little bit of shine in it, but is more two-tone. And it is the Shining Clover Clip. Oh my gosh, I did not, okay you guys, I did not even know this. How cute. Okay, let's get closer. Let's get a close-up look of this. This side, I knew exactly what it was gonna look like. I knew that the four-leaf clover was in shine. I did not know that it was like indented, like it's, okay, I don't know how to explain it. It looks like it was almost cut out and popped out of the charm. So you can see in there, like how it's kind of hollow. So that's really cute, and I love the 3D effect. What I did not know about this clip is the back. So the back has a tiny little four-leaf clover on there with a little CZ center. Let's get a good look at this. This is a surprise to me. I did not know that this clip had this in the back. What sweet little detail. I love that they added that on here, because like, while this side's really cute, the other side would have been just plain. I think I would have assumed there would have been like a Pandora logo on there or something, but it's not. Well done, Pandora. Also, I was a little annoyed that I couldn't get this for St. Patrick's Day because the US didn't release those charms till after, but it's all good now. We've got it. So the next charm is going to obviously be the sister charm to my Glittering Grooves Murano. Actually, let's go ahead and take a look at these two side by side, just because they're so cute, and or just because they're so pretty and worth looking at a second time. Gosh, I wonder if my store ever got these or if they sold out immediately. If they sold out, I can totally see why, because these are just beautiful. Let's get a closer, okay. All right, let's get that closer look at these two together. Very impressive, and I just love the way Pandora Rose and Lavender look together. So I'm really excited to see what creations I can make with these Muranos. Okay, so now for the giveaway charm. I'm really excited to show you guys this. I hope you are as equally excited as I am because it's just exciting. We'll leave the tag on. That way when I send it, you can still have the tag. So, you guys may have seen I already got this charm. So there was like a little bit cheating only buying one, but I really don't have a home for the other charm. So now it will belong to my YouTube Goals bracelet, but somebody had the great idea because if you guys saw on Instagram that Queen Bee and a Charm Dreamer started this whole thing that all the Pandora sisters should have the sisters charm. I just couldn't help but make this part of the YouTube Goals bracelet. Because after all, my channel would not exist if I didn't have all the love and support from all of my Pandora sisters. So there you have it. This is going to be the giveaway charm. I just love, love, love the pink star CZs in there. I'm a star girl, I'm a pink girl. You could not have done it more perfectly for me, Pandora, than having the little pink star accents. And then, of course, the inscription. Especially for all of us who've just built friendships around the world and haven't really actually seen each other. You don't always see them, is the inscription here, but they're always there, and that couldn't be more true or more better said than what I've come to find my Pandora sisterhood family brings me. So appreciative of this community, literally the best community out there. So this is the charm for the giveaway. I'm so excited to see who ends up with this, and we'll have matching charms. And again, I'll put mine on my YouTube Goals bracelet. And I hope you guys are just as excited as I am that this is the charm for the giveaway. So there you have it. Those are the items that I picked during the most recent sale that we had in the US of buy two, get one free. I'm really excited with all of my choices. Hey baby, you want to say hi?
Yes. Hi, and welcome to my mommy's video. Her name is Mom. Her second name is Nicole.
So there you have it. Those are the charms that I bought on the buy two, get one free promo that we just had in the US. I'm really excited about the items that I picked. I've been wanting those Muranos for so long, so I'm so excited to design with them and just play around. And then it was really sad during Mother's Day that they didn't have the little girl charm, and I just needed it because of that little cutie that I call my daughter. It is my daughter. But I had to have it to represent her because those tend to be my favorite charms. But anyway, leave me a comment below and let me know which item did you like best out of my haul. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please consider subscribing, being part of my channel. And again, thank you so much for helping me hit 7,500. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Details are below. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you all next time.
First name is Mom, and her other name is Nicole, which is that. Mommy, what is my next name that's after Presley?
Ariana.
Ariana. And my more names is like pretzels. You know, like pretzels. Actually, like a pretzel into a bag, except I'm not in a bag. I can't fit in there, guys. What do you even mean? I don't think that you fit into a bag. I don't. I'm not as small as a pretzel.
Being silly.
A giant pretzel.